Hi and welcome to La Luna to the Moon. I'm Crypto Chrissie and I'm so excited to be starting my YouTube channel to talk about cryptocurrency and to educate people who want to know more about it and take advantage of this amazing opportunity if you feel like you're up for the task. I'm going to go over what the potential opportunities are for gains for retail investors. And a retail investor means that you're just an individual who is buying cryptocurrency on the internet through exchanges and managing it yourself. And I'm going to share with you just a few of the things this new technology has to offer you and how it's changing the world as we know it. And then I'm going to share with you where we're at as early adopters in this market and what that means. As I'm sure a lot of you have heard, cryptocurrency is getting a lot of attention now that we're coming out of a bear market and we're entering the beginning of a bull market. And I'm going to share with you why so many people are excited about this market and the kinds of gains that people are expecting to possibly make in the next bull run. Let's start off by looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the #1 cryptocurrency. It's the original, and it's the one that's most likely going to stick around. One of the reasons people are so excited about cryptocurrency is because of the gains that you can make, especially being an early adopter in this market. Today, for example, if you invested $1,000 in Bitcoin and the price is approximately $8,000, you would receive 0.125 Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin reaches its last all-time high, which it went up to $20,000 in 2017, when it reaches that again, your $1,000 will be worth $2,500. And because of technical analysis and people that analyze the markets, the next bull run, people are predicting that Bitcoin's going to possibly go up to $100,000. And if that's true, your $1,000 investment would be worth $12,500. This is an amazing amount of gains compared to the stock market or any other markets for that matter. I'm going to show you, if you invest in a different kind of cryptocurrency, the kinds of gains that you might receive from that particular investment. The potential for gains for altcoins, and by the way, an altcoin is any coin that's not Bitcoin, that's a cryptocurrency. They're called altcoins or cryptocurrency. And Bitcoin's actually a cryptocurrency too. But let's take a look at Ethereum for a moment. This is the #2 most popular cryptocurrency underneath Bitcoin. If you invested $1,000 in Ethereum today at a rate of, let's say, $258, you would receive 3.8759 Ethereum. When the last bull market happened, Ethereum went up to $1,432. That was the all-time high. And when it gets back to that, your $1,000 investment would be worth $5,550, which is a 5.5 times gain. And people are projecting in this upcoming bull market, Ethereum may get up to approximately $12,266, which would make your $1,000 investment worth $47,541. This would be a 48 times gain in your investment. The amount of gains is insane in this market if you learn what you're doing and make the right choices. This is a major reason that people are so interested in this market and are curious of how to get involved. Another interesting thing about cryptocurrency is the technology that's being built right now and how it's changing the world. Some of the ways are that it's reducing risk of fraud, increasing fundraising and crowdfunding, changing the transfer of money process, keeping companies and individuals accountable, making foreign money exchanges and transfers safer and less expensive and faster, offering stable alternatives to unstable currencies, especially in countries where there's huge inflation, like Venezuela and Argentina, and there are some countries solely living on cryptocurrency. It also is giving people control of their own money over having the banks be in control of their money. It's strengthening e-commerce. It's also helping in the healthcare field in regards to transferring files and documents and making it be in a more secure way and a lot faster to get the information from one place to another. And it's also helping in elections. And this is a great solution if there's corruption happening in regards to governments, to really make this be more on the up and up elections. And I believe that Scotland's already implemented this in some of their elections, and other countries too. These are just a few of the ways this technology is evolving and changing the world. This is a chart commonly used in the crypto world to show where we are in the adoption phase. We're still in the innovator phase of this chart, which is really the best time to get involved in something to be able to maximize your gains. And we're pre-institutionalized money flooding into the market, and it's a really great position to be in if you're looking to shift your financial life and also your personal life, because when you don't need to be worrying about money so much, you'll be able to really manifest the kind of life that you want on the deepest level. This isn't financial advice or technical advice, and everyone who chooses to get involved in cryptocurrency, it's really important that you take responsibility for your money, for learning, and the decisions that you make. And it's really common in the crypto world to hear DYOR, which means do your own research. And really what it means is to take responsibility for your actions and your investments, and not to do just what everyone else is doing, but to really take the time to learn so that you feel comfortable with your choices. And it's going to make it a lot more easy for you to participate, and you'll probably be a lot more successful doing it that way. I'm just here to share with you my personal experience, mistakes I've made, so hopefully you don't need to, and to help you try to make sense of how you can participate in this opportunity in a safe way.